time cannot be changed. So first method, change manually. Click to start, go to setting, then click on time and language, date and time, and click on sync now. After that, close. Then second method, again click to start, type services.msc, you can see service, and just right click and run as administrator. Then scroll down, find out Windows time, you can see Windows time. Just double click on manual, and then select the automatic, stop it, and again restart, and then apply, and then okay. So select this Windows time, and then again click on restart. Okay, and then close it. Then next method. So guys, first method, click to start, type cmd, and right click to run as administrator, then click to yes, then some command. So that is 4 command. First one, sfc space slash scan now, then hit enter. Wait few seconds, it will complete 100%. Then type next command, which is second number. So you can enter also, you can copy paste. Okay, do not type so long of the command. So it will complete. Then copy second one, and then just right click it. Okay, when you, okay, then third one. Then guys, last, same as it is. Okay, when it is completed, this 4 command properly one by one enter, and that's command I will give you in the video description, so you can easily copy and paste from descriptions. Then it will done, then try to follow next method. Okay, otherwise you can restart also. Okay, thank you.